I guarantee that you have done one of these things, if not all of them. And what they will show us is the one emotion holding you back and preventing you from having trading success. You need to shift your mindset, and we will show you how. So let's be honest, which one of these have you done? And leave a comment below with your honest answer. So number one, you have had several losses in a row and therefore you change or tweak your strategy. Number two, you have moved your stop loss because you think the market will reverse soon. Number three, this is such a great setup, so I will enter with more size on this trade than usual. Number four, this trade is taking too long, so I will close it. And number five, I want to make $200 a day from the market, so that will be $4,000 a month. Now, these are just 5 examples. I could keep going, but let's take a look at the emotion behind all of these that is killing your trading. So number one, you've had several losses in a row and therefore you change or tweak your strategy, right? In this example, you are trying to control the outcome of your trade, which is impossible. You can't control when the losing streak will happen, or the winning streak for that matter. But I guarantee you both will happen. Every strategy will have losing trades and winning trades, but you can't control when that will happen. Number two, you've moved your stop loss because you think the market will reverse soon. In this example, you think you can control when the market will reverse. I'm sure you've heard lots of traders or gurus say things like, I expect the market to reverse here, right? Are they mental or do they have a crystal ball? You have no control over that. Number three, this is such a great setup, so I will enter with more size on this trade than usual. What is wrong with you? Again, you think you can control what setup will work best and therefore ignore your risk parameters. You can't control which trades will work better than others, and if you could, you'd be a millionaire. Number four, this trade is taking too long, so I will close it. This time, you're trying to control time. Most of your trades might close within 1 day, but of course you will have trades that take longer or even quicker. Again, you can't control how long a trade will take. And number five, I want to make $200 a day from the market, so that will be $4,000 a month. The market doesn't give a shit what you want. Again, you're thinking you can control when the market will give you profit or not. You're trying to control your profit and loss for each month. It's absolute nonsense. 1 month, the market might give you $8,000 and the next minus $2,000. That's the reality. You get the point, right? Control, or this illusion of control, is killing your trading. So stop it now. The only thing you can control is yourself. And if you think about that, it is a great thing because your trading success is in your own hands. But your mindset has to shift. You must focus on the process and not the result. You can control the process, which includes your strategy or your trading plan. You can control your money and risk management, and you can control your emotions. These make up your trading edge. But what you can't do is control the outcome or the result. That shift will transform your trading from trying to predict outcomes into executing a repeatable process. And that is the essence of trading psychology, right? Relinquishing control over what you can't influence and taking full responsibility for what you can. And as always, guys, if you've enjoyed this vid, then please come join our free Discord community. The link is in the video description below.